Happy birthday, happy birthday, GM.
One more time, baby. First another come for a pump. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So ka na sabihin na. Day, GM.
Okay, now friends, everybody shout happy birthday, baby GM.
Happy birthday, baby GM.
Again.
Happy birthday, baby GM.
Louder, bubble, and bubble lagi.
Happy birthday,
Baby GM. Okay, did you hear that? Okay, now, birthday boy. Okay, what with all your friends, your text, your office, and your class, your birthday boy. Okay, what was it today? Okay, okay, what was it?
Yeah! Ba! Yeah!
Okay, what was it? Langga? Ano?
Meow!
And now, let's start.
Nadlo! Yeah! Di ganahan!
Happy birthday to you.
Lola, lipaya.
Baby GM, no?
Lipay ka si GM. Sit down mo day. Sit down mo day. Sit down. Yeah. Brian.
Happy birthday. Okay, now this time, okay, thank you, Mommy. And thank you also, Daddy. Okay, now, karoon kayo mag-play na sa games na natin prize, no? Sa atong laptop, aircon, Christy Magic Stick. Para ganahan sa mga pila mga kids. Okay, now, children, are you ready for the games?
Yeah!
I'm sure the kids are so excited to play the games, right? Okay, now, friends, back before we start. Okay, may I request all the kids to make one big circle here at the center because this time, okay, we are going to play our first game. Okay, I want all the kids, please, get together here at the center.
Laka mo tanan mga bata.